Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, alright kaibigan, kung saan ka mang sulok sa mundo kaibigan, I wish you well kaibigan. Welcome to the Parking University. Andito naman ang yung professor sa Parking University and it's just another day to be grateful. Alright kaibigan, yung topic natin ngayon kaibigan, itong libro ni Dwayne Dyer na Power of Intention. Okay, hindi ko nabasa yung libro pero napakinggan ko yung audiobook ni Dwayne. It's just nice to share this kaibigan, because sharing kaibigan, when we share something kaibigan, whether you like it or not kaibigan, the universe will see that. If you share good things or if you share knowledge to other people kaibigan, whether you like it or not kaibigan, it's you are attracting something as well. So may kasabihan na in order for us to receive more kaibigan, dapat we offer something kaibigan. Hindi tayo daw maghintay na maghintay tayo ng bibigyan, but what we can offer. And after we offer, whether you like it or not kaibigan, there are a lot of good things will come back. Wow! So that's why kung mayroon akong knowledge na mababasa, mapakinggan, so I'd rather share it, so at least it could be we can inspire someone as well. So alright so yung ano tong power of intention kaibigan. So itong intention kaibigan is lahat tayo nito may lahat ng tao mayroon tayong intention, di ba? So it could be bad, good, or anything as long as that's intention kaibigan. So but kung i-dig natin to deeper kaibigan, pwede natin tong i-studyhan, pwede natin tong i-ano na ito palang intention. Kung i-divert natin to sa in a proper way, it could change our reality kaibigan. It could improve our life. So it depends kung paano natin to gamitin. Okay, so ang intention is bad or good, but it's the same intention. So kung titingnan natin yung mga tao kaibigan na may mga tao na masamang intensyon. Okay, so may mga tao na masamang intensyon. So yung mga tao na, for example, yung mga nabilanggo na tao, so pag mayroon silang nakaaway or nakapag-alitan ng salita na hindi maganda, tapos after nun iba na yung intensyon nila. So may mga tao na ang intensyon nila is kailangan ko talagang hindi ako pwedeng hindi makabawi. Kailangan ko yung patayin yung tao na yun. Example lang ito kasi nangyayari ito. So may mga criminal mind na tao. So yung intensyon ng tao na kayon kaibigan, pag deep yung intensyon niya kaibigan, pag hindi masyadong deep, mawala yung ano niya. So ma-forgive niya yung tao, maano niya yung tao. But kung deep masyado yung intensyon niya kaibigan, it could happen that kaya mayroon talagang na tao na napatay or inano kahit hindi nakainom yung tao, but ang cause dun kaibigan is yung intention niya lang. So nakagawa siya ng hindi magandang gawain. It could be nakapatay, nakapagnaka, or anything na hindi maganda, kasi yung intention niya kaibigan is too strong yung intention. Okay, so on the other side, gagawin natin tong intention, o kung anuhin natin tong power of intention kaibigan, on the bright side kaibigan, on the na makapa-improve sa buhay natin. Huwag natin gawin dun sa masama. So alam natin yun na yung theory sa intention, pag gagawin talaga ng isang tao, isipin mo yung tao, kaya niyang kitilin ang buhay ng isang tao para lang sa intention niya. Okay? So pwede bahala nang mabilanggo siya or makapatay siya ng tao, basta lang ma-successful yung intention niya. Okay, so that's how powerful yung intention sa isang tao kaibigan. Pwede niyang gawin yung pinakamasama. Okay, so pwede din pala natin tong i-divert into other side kaibigan. So kung yung intention natin is very gawin natin tong very powerful kaibigan, very gawin natin hunger na gawin natin so positive side na we want to become that person kaibigan. For example, we want to be every tao is different tayo ng goals, but for example ikaw gusto mong maging ganyan na tao, gusto mo na maging successful na tao, gusto mo na, example lang ito, magkabahay, may pamilya na may financially free na at saka walang or maging mayor ka ba, police, teacher, or fisherman, farmer. So kung ano yung intention mo talaga kaibigan, kung i-divert natin yung intention, kasi alam natin kung ang tao, kung ano pala yung intention ng tao, kung palagi niyang i-manifest yung ano kaibigan, posible niyang makukuha yun. Okay, so yun yung law daw sa universe kaibigan. So kung ano yung intention na tao, basta as long as is very burning desire yun kaibigan, there is always a way. Pwede yung mahanapan ng paraan talaga kahit kung saan ka papunta kaibigan. So kung willing ka talaga at saka may willing ka na puntahan mo yung lugar na iyon kaibigan, there is almost a way to everything, kaibigan. Kung willing ka talaga, there is almost a way. So imagine mo, there is almost a way. So there is a possibility na pwede natin gawin lahat. We want to become that person. So ang sabi ni Dwayne is, ang para daw maano tong intention, kaibigan, is, for example, you need to live the person that you want to become. Wow. So okay. So for example, gusto mo na maging businessman, okay? So kahit hindi ka pa daw businessman ngayon, kaibigan, is you want to act like a businessman. If you want to become a doctor, kaibigan, so kahit hindi ka pa doctor, you need to act like a doctor, speak like a doctor, kaibigan, walk like a doctor. If you want to become an army or a policeman or anything, you act, you dress daw, kaibigan, you act, you talk like them, kaibigan, kahit hindi ka pa nandyan, kaibigan. And that's the first step daw to align to the universe, kaibigan. Wow. Okay, so ganito daw sabi niya is, kung mayroon tayong intention daw, kaibigan, is dapat yung action natin, yung words natin is naka-align doon sa intention natin. Okay, so once our action and words naka-align doon sa intention natin, kaibigan, there is no way daw na hindi makukuha yung intention na yun, kaibigan, kasi naka-align yung action natin, ang words natin, kasi naka-align tayo, we are in the same frequency sa gusto natin. So for example, gusto natin na ano ba yung gusto natin? Abundance. Okay, kung gusto natin ng abundance, kaibigan, but your action is different. You are acting like lack, like parang mawalan ka palagi. You are acting like a poverty. You keep watching sa newspaper, sa TV about rape, killings, about anything na bad happening sa mundo, anything. So ano yung mangyayari mo yun, kaibigan? Kasi the law will always the law. Kung ano yung binabasa mo, pinapanood mo palagi, yun mong palagi yung ma-attract mo. So ang sabi nitong power of intention is dapat you are aligning to your intention. So kung intention mo na financially free, you want to become a financially free. So ano daw yung mga things or bagay na para magiging financially free? So siguro magbasa tayo about finances, markets, about business, about anything, how we can earn extra money, and love, kindness, kasi doon yun, kaibigan, harmony, yun, para ma-align tayo sa ma-align yung action natin, ang thoughts natin. Ang pinakauna daw, kaibigan, itong thoughts natin. Yung thoughts natin dapat maka-align kung ano yung gusto natin, then we already act that person kahit wala pa tayo doon, kaibigan. Wow, napaka-strong daw tong kaibigan, na you act that person even hindi ka pa andun. Okay, so for example, gusto mong maging mayor in the future sa bayan or something. If you keep acting daw, kaibigan, as a mayor, kahit hindi ka mayor, you talk like a mayor, you act like a mayor, be respecting ka, kaibigan, you will become that person, kaibigan. That's the law daw of the universe. Wow, kaibigan. Hindi natin ito natutunan sa elementary, high school, college, kaibigan, na you need to act that person as you want to become, kaibigan. Dito natin ito matutunan sa real life. Okay? So, sa Parking University, kaibigan, dito natin ito, kaibigan. So, school is good, but learning is more important, kaibigan. Okay? Hopefully, hindi ko na sayang yung oras mo, kaibigan. I wish you well. Close your eyes, open your arms, and not your legs, and this all be yours. And hopefully, may natutunan tayo ngayon. Peace, love, good health, abundance, all the riches in the world sa'yo na yan. Boom, shakala, nagkala-kala, liki!